Hello students, today we are going to see about the applications of trigonometry. In trigonometry, applications is a major role where it will be an interesting problems you will be coming across into it. All those are like the real life problems only. So you must basically understand the problem and try to represent in terms of diagram. Then only you will come to know what you have to find out. So if you are able to represent the diagram beautifully, then the remaining part will be very easy thing over here. So now here is a girl is a standing here. She is observing an object. Okay. So now we are going to see what is angle of elevation. So when you look at the angle of elevation, this is her line of sight where she is observing the object. So this is your the horizontal level. So from where her eyesight is there, that will be the horizontal level. The angle formed inside, this is called as the angle of elevation. So you must understand what is angle of elevation. Next we'll see about the angle of depression. So here is a building. On the building there is a girl is standing over there. Okay, and she is observing the bottom. So she is looking down. So the angle formed will be here. It is angle of depression. This angle will be here. It is angle of depression. Her line of sight. This is her line of sight. And this one is the horizontal level. So hope you understood what is angle of elevation and angle of depression. So now let's get into the first problem of the applications of trigonometry. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. So first we must draw the vertical pole. So this will be your vertical pole and this is the ground level. This is your ground level and this is your vertical pole. Now what happened here? A string is stretched and tightly tied from the top. This is the top and this is the ground level. So from there it is tied over there. So now I will be drawing the rope. This is a rope. Here in this only, the circus artist is climbing. Okay. So now it is given 20-meter long rope. So now the length of the rope, this is 20 meters, you know. This is the vertical pole. The height of the pole, you have to find out the height of the pole. And they have given you the angle made by the rope with the ground. This is the rope and the bottom is your ground level. And here the angle formed is 30 degree. Okay, so now let's represent using the alphabet. This is A, this is B, and this is C. And here it is forming the right angled triangle. Always, you know, the angle opposite to right angle, this is your hypotenuse, you know already. And we are going to find out the vertical pole height we have to find out. So before that, let's write what and all it's given and what you need to find out in this problem. Let's write step by step. So whichever the problem is there, try to write what is given, what you have to prove, the formula in detail. That will give you a very good presentation and you will be getting very good marks too. So length of the rope. The length of the rope is what? AC is your length of the rope, which is 20 meter. I am writing here. Now, what is the angle made by the rope and the ground level? Angle made by the rope and the ground level is 30 degree here. So now what we are going to find out here? To find out, we are going to find out the height of the pole AB. Height of the pole AB we are going to find out. The next is your proof part. So in the proof part, what triangle we are going to choose here? This is the right angled triangle. So that you have to mention it here. That is very much important. In right angled triangle ABC. So when you want to find out the vertical pole and the hypotenuse is already given. Okay. So now this hypotenuse is already given for this angle 30 degree. So what will be this vertical pole? Vertical pole will be on the opposite side. This ground level will be your the adjacent side you will be getting here. So now I am going to find over here, it is the sine 30 degree I have to find out. So sine 30 will be opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is AB, the hypotenuse is AC. Now substitute the value. Sine 30 already you know, which is 1 by 2. AB we have to find out. AC is 20. So now it is very easy to over here. So this will move to the other side. So you will be getting here AB is equal to 20 by 2, which is 10 meters. So AB is equal to 10 meters. Therefore, the height of the pole AB is equal to 10 meter. This is how your presentation in your examination also should be there. Have to mention everything in the diagram, what is given and what to be found out and the proofing part. This complete problem, this is how when you present it, you will be getting a perfect answer. So hope you understand. I'll meet you in the next problem. Bye students, take care.